everyone, welcome to Fashion Creators Lab, turning creative ideas into professional garments. If you've ever finished sewing a piece and thought, why doesn't this look professional? You're not alone. Today, I'm sharing 5 common mistakes new designers make. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to fix them step by step. Let's begin. Poor fit. This is the number one problem. Thank you for watching Fashion Creators Lab, turning creative ideas into professional garments. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below which mistake you struggle with most. Keep learning, keep creating. See you in the next video.